Understand the core chemical condition. The problem states that an aqueous solution contains 5 specific cations: Ag to the power plus, Hg2 to the power 2 plus, Cu to the power 2 plus, Mn to the power 2 plus, and Ba to the power 2 plus. The critical observation is that no precipitates form when the unknown anion is introduced. Apply the concept of solubility rules. For no precipitate to form, the chosen anion must form highly soluble salts with all 5 of these cations. If the anion forms an insoluble compound with even one of the cations, a precipitate would be observed, violating the student's observation. Recall the fundamental solubility rule for nitrates. In aqueous chemistry, all common nitrate, number 3 to the power negative, salts are highly soluble in water with no exceptions. Evaluate the result of adding nitrate, number 3 to the power negative pairing number 3 to the power negative with each of the cations yields Ogno 3, Hg2, number 3, 2, Cu, number 3, 2, Mn, number 3, 2, and Ba, number 3, 2. Because all 5 of these compounds are completely soluble in water, they will remain fully dissociated as free aqueous ions, and no precipitate will form. This aligns perfectly with the observation, confirming option D is the correct answer. The correct answer is option D, NO3-.